Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 4 factors and multiples. First topic is factors. Now look at this learning sequence. First is factors and multiples. Second is prime and composite numbers. Third is test of divisibility. Fourth point, prime factorization. Next, highest common factor, SCF. Next, lowest common multiples, LCM. Next, relation between SCF and LCM of two numbers. And last, word problems on SCF and LCM. Now, first topic, factors. Definition is a number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of the given numbers. First working rule, to find the factors of a number. Step first, consider the number say A. Second step, find the number B which divides the given number A completely. Third step, B will be considered as the factor of A. Now first example is find the factors of 6. Solution is consider the following divisions. First, 6 1 ja 6, remainder 0. Second, 2 3 ja 6, remainder 0. Third, 3 multiply 2, 6, remainder 0. 4 1 ja 4, remainder 2. 5 1 ja 5, remainder 5 1 ja 5, remainder 1. And last 6 1 ja 6, remainder 0. Hence we observe that 1 2 3 and 6 are the only numbers by which the number 6 is divided completely. Hence 1 2 3 6 are the factors of 6. Note, consider the following relationship. 6 is equal to 1 multiply 6, 6 1 ja 6. Second, 2 multiply by 3 is equal to 6. That is, if we multiply two numbers to get a new number, then two numbers are called the factors of the new number. Okay student, now second example is find out the factor of 36, 27 and 18. Solution is factor of 36 is equal to 1 multiply 36 is equal to 36, 2 multiply 18 is equal to 36, 3 multiply 12 is equal to 36, 4 multiply 9 is equal to 36, 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36 are factors of 36. Now second number, 27. 1 multiply 27 is equal to 27, 3 multiply 9 is equal to 27. Thus 1, 3, 9, 27 are factors of 27. Now last number 18 is equal to 1 multiply 18 is equal to 18, 2 multiply 9 is equal to 18, 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. Thus 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are factors of 18. Okay student, now write down the examples. Hello, next topic, terms of remember. First point, 1 is a factor of every number. Second point, every number is a factor of itself. Third number, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. 4 is every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Fifth point, a number of factors of a given number is finite. Next topic, multiples. Definition is multiples. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. Okay student, note 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. This is factor and this is multiples. Okay, working rules to find the multiple of a number. Step first, consider the number say a. Step second, multiply the given number a by any natural number. Step 3, the numbers obtained on multiplying are multiples of the given numbers. First example of multiples. Find out the first 5 multiples of. First is 5, second is 8 and third is 9. The answer is, we get 5 1 ja 5 is equal to 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the first 5 multiples of 5. Okay student, write down the example. Now second is, we get 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32 and 8 5 ja 40. Hence 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40 are the first 5 multiples of 8. Okay student. Now third, we get 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36 and 9 5 ja 45. Hence 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45 are the first 5 multiples of 9. Think a little and say special number 0. Write multiples of 0 first. Second is, do you think 1 is a multiple of 0? And third, how many multiples do 0 have? Hence, if we multiply 0 with any natural number, we always get 0. Example, the 7 multiples of 15 is, option is A 45, B 15, C 90 and D 105. Option is, we get 15 multiply 7 is equal to 105. The option D is correct, which is the required answer. Okay. Term to remember, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that numbers. First. Second is, the number of multiples of a given natural number is infinite. Third is, every number is a multiple of itself. Fourth is, one cannot be a multiple of any number except itself. And last 5 number, every number is the smallest multiple of itself. Okay student, write down the example. Now next example, find all factors of 24. Solution is, we know that 24 is equal to 1 multiply 24 is equal to 24. 2 multiply 12 is equal to 24. 3 multiply 8 is equal to 24, and 4 6 ja 24. Hence all factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All factors of 24. Now next example, find all multiples of 15 up to 75. Solution is, we know that 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, and 15 5 ja 75. Hence all multiples of 15 up to 75 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. Now write down the examples. Okay student.